Hey guys, hi, it's me, your penguin, Crystal. Hi, it's PenguinEsk here. And today I'm coming at you with a different kind of video. I also brought some coffee in this really cute Totoro mug that I got from Goodwill. And before I start, this cup was 59 cents because they're having a sale for Valentine's Day. Oh my god, that was great. But along with that, hi, hello, this is going to be my video for my rainbow sweater. This is not a DIY, this is not a how-to, this is just me showing you guys what I went through for about like a month and some change making this sweater. Okay, if you didn't know, hi, hello, I do more than just art. I knit, I crochet, I sew, what else do I do? I like to do a bunch of other crafty things. That way I don't burn myself out of art. And sometimes I just still end up burning myself out. At the beginning of the year, one of my New Year's resolutions was to be a little bit more crafty, create something, not with pen and paper, i.e. knit, crochet, sew something. I started to sew something, but like anytime I would sew it, it just didn't come out right. So I decided to create a rainbow sweater. And why I decided to make a rainbow sweater was, one, because I tried to make rainbow socks, and socks are really hard to knit for some reason. So I abandoned that. And because I wanted rainbow socks, I wanted rainbow thigh-high socks, and if you don't know, I'm super fucking tall. And because I'm super fucking tall, it would have taken more time to like knit those socks, but up to where I want, and I have like really thick thighs, so you know, that's just more yarn, more stuff, but yeah. So I started this project in February, and February 3rd to be exact, and finished it on March 22nd, I believe. And you guys are probably wondering why this video took so long. Why haven't you put this video up? Hi. I had a lot of, not complications, but with this sweater in particular, you see, like, I broke my nails, that's just great. It started to get hot and I wanted a bunch of like B-roll footage. I don't really have B-roll footage, but or at least as much as I want. I thought it was gonna be too hot, and then like a bunch of art challenges came up, and I was still in the midst of my 100 prompt challenge, and that was stressing me the fuck out. So my sweater was sitting in the closet, and then it turned summer, so you know, it was hot. This is the part of the video where I show you guys where I got my patterns from, how I decided to do this specific pattern, because I did not follow a I followed a pattern but not a specific pattern to do this. It's super weird. I like winged it most of the time. I got my pattern from Yarnspirations, and I wanted a oversized sweater, but I wanted to do rainbow, as you can see, all in the glory. Yes, and I decided to pick the size extra large. The pattern's free, so you don't have to pay for it if you wanted to go try this out yourself. And that is one of the two faults that I had when I decided to pick out this pattern, this specific pattern anyway. This pattern is a striped sweater pattern. So it caters to those specific stripes and not the stripes that I wanted. I wanted just some regular stripes, but they wanted to be fancy. So I had to modify the pattern for my liking and how I wanted my stripes. And as for the extra large size, I'm very upset because it's such a big sweater. Like, it's such a big sweater. The collar, as you can see, the collar was super like big, and I did not take that into account when I was knitting it, so that's on me. But I did put a string in around the collar just to tighten it up a little. It was way bigger than this before, so thank God I found a solution to fix it. And for my for the stripes, I'm gonna get a little bit technical with you guys. If you guys know anything about knitting and the rows and like the stitches and stuff like that, basically for every color on the main body of the sweater, I knit 11 rows, and then I would switch colors. That way when you knit the next color, that color on the needle goes down and it makes 12. I wanted even numbers. So if you guys got any of that, I did that for the front and back of the sweaters. And then for the sleeves, I did 13 rows before I changed the color. That way it would be 14 even. But once I got to the part where I had to add the actual sleeve part of it, which is around here, I went back to 11. That way it would match, and when I sewed it together it would match, like from green to the red that's on top. This probably makes no sense to any of you guys because you guys probably don't knit, and this was my first time using a pattern to knit something, or yeah, my first time using a full pattern to knit something, and that was kind of intimidating because I had to research what the fuck everything said in the pattern, and I wasn't sure what to do and how to do it. But after I got through the first side of the sweater, the first side of the sweater is the back. You start with the back and then you do the front. And that was fairly easy. And it got easier when I did the front, because the front is, I guess I'll insert a thing, and it's like the front is goes to a point, so it's not as much as the back, you know. But also, if you're wondering where I got this yarn, it is a bunch of yarn that I've gotten over the years because I was a like knit crochet-aholic in high school, and you know, as we do, we, you know, get yarn from school, and we had like a knitting class in school, so we took yarn from school and stuff like that. And yeah, I accumulated a rainbow, so I decided why not make a rainbow. Also, another thing, I realized that when I searched up rainbow sweater, these kind of sweaters popped up, and that wasn't what I wanted for a sweater. They were either like 4 solid colors of a rainbow, or like the stripes were super small and it wasn't oversized. I wanted this specific oversized sweater, so yeah, it's kind of why I made it. I wanted a big project that I can finish. Not really a big project, but like something that I know I can be proud of, that I can wear. And since it's been fall, winter, whatever you want to call this, I've been wearing the sweater outside, and I wear stuff under the sweater because the sweater, like, since it is knit, it has like holes and stuff. Like, if you can see that, it's my nail. So it gets pretty brisk, but like if you're in a decently breezy area, like Well, if it's breezy, you'll feel the wind. Like, but it's still a very warm sweater. Since I've been wearing this sweater, I've been getting a lot of compliments. I went out the other day with Bae, and basically, this little girl, she was so cute, and she was with her mother, and she was like, "I like your rainbow sweater," and I was like, oh my god, this is what I come for, goddamn. After that little girl complimented me, some lady in the street, she like yelled across the street, she was like, "I like your sweater," and I was like, oh, me? Like this? Because, you know, you just kind of forget that you're wearing it because it's so cold. And then on Halloween, this guy thought I was dressed up as a rainbow, and I was like, no, this is just a sweater that I decided to put on. So, I don't know, but seeing that little girl's face when she saw my sweater was just like the highlight of my day, and I loved it so much. I think that is it for my rainbow sweater video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed all the clips and all the stuffs and whatnot. I really enjoyed making this sweater. To be honest, I thought it took longer than what it actually did. It was like a month and some change. I thought it was 3 months for some reason. But yeah, I really enjoyed this sweater. I want to make another one. I want to make a cardigan, but I want it to be pastel rainbow, and you guys know how fucking tall I am, so I want my shit to touch like the back of my ankle. That's really extra, but yeah, I really want to do that, and I don't have those color yarns, so that's gonna be on hold for a little while. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I do end up doing any more like crochet, knitting kind of stuff, I will show you guys. And for the record, those will not be DIYs or how-tos or tutorials on how to do it. It's just me talking about my process, how I did it, what I did, and you know, the b-roll footage and all of that. So yeah, I'm also sorry if I was slouching this whole video. My back kind of hurts. But yeah, bye guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye guys. She's fucking crazy. My back hurts. Waddles. We did it. It's my babies. Ugh.